Hi, today we are going to learn about graphing linear inequalities in two variables. Let's look at a problem. Make a graph of the inequality y is greater than 3 over 4x. Now, in order to graph the inequalities, I'll create a t-chart x, y, similar to a linear equation. Let me take minus 2, 0, 2 points. When I'll substitute minus 2, let me assume this inequality as y is equal to 3 over 4x to create the t-chart. So when x will be minus 2, my y will be 3 by 4 times minus 2 minus 3 by 2, or we can say minus 1.5. For 0 it will be 0, for 2 it will be 1.5. So let's plot the points. Minus 2 minus 1.5. Here 0 0 and 2 1.5. Let me make a dotted line over this. Now I need to know the region in which this inequality will hold. Let me take any point. Let me take this point. This is 0 comma 2. I'll test this inequality on the point 0 comma 2. I'm substituting. 2 is greater than 3 by 4 times 0. This implies 2 is greater than 0, means it's true. So the inequality holds. So we can say the inequality will hold for this region, the above region. So we'll shade the area above this. So region above this will be the solution for this inequality. This is how the graph will look like. If this inequality was false, then we would have shaded the region below the inequality. Next problem. Make a graph of the inequality y is less than minus 4 over 3x plus 8 over 3. Let's prepare a t-chart. X, y. Let me take minus 303 so that my denominator cancels out. So y is equal to minus 4 over 3x plus 8 over 3, or I can say minus 4x plus 8 by 3. So let's put minus 3, y is equal to minus 4 times minus 3 plus 8 over 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20 by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 6.3. 3 times 6 is 18. 220. 6.6, not 6.3. For 0 it will be 8 over 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 220. 2.6. For 3 it will be minus 12 plus 8, that's minus 4 by 3, which is minus 1.3. So let's plot the points. Minus 3 somewhere here, 0, 2.6 here, 3 minus 1.3 somewhere here. So let's join this as a dotted line. let's test the region. Let me take 0 comma 0. So I can say 0 is less than minus 4 by 3 times 0 plus 8 by 3, or we can say 0 is less than 8 over 3, which is true. So we will shade the region which is downwards. Whatever point we are testing, if the inequality comes true at that point, the region is to be shaded which consists that point. Next problem, make a graph of the inequality y is greater than 1 by 2x minus 2. X, y, let's say minus 2, 0, 2. Y is equal to 1 by 2x minus 2. So for minus 2 it will be 1 by 2 times minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 0 minus 2. For 2 it will be 1 minus 2, that's minus 1. So let's plot the points. Minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 2, 2 minus 1. Join. Let's take 0 comma 0. 0 is greater than 1 by 2 times 0 minus 2, implies 0 is greater than minus 2, which is true. So we shade the region consisting the point 0 comma 0. I hope you can practice more problems on graphing linear inequalities in two variables now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.